Before disassembling, make sure that the computer system is turned off and disconnected from the power supply, and remove unnecessary hand accessories. First, disconnect all wires, buses, and cables. After disconnecting all wires, buses, and cables, we're now going to proceed in removing other components. After removing all the components, we need to create an inventory form. In assembling a computer system, we're going to install the components in order from CPU fan to power supply. After installing the components, we're now going to connect all the cables inside.